Zindaba zesiNdebele lapha ku-SABC sikubikela zona unqopha kusuka eGlen Park eJohannesburg. Asiqalele izikhamba phambili.
I found the city filthy. The city was not clean. There was rubbish all over the show.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi udanile ngendlela idorobha leJohannesburg elihwahlaphele ngakhona. Uthi sele liselaphazeke kwangathi akuhlala abantu.
We do know that one of the deceased was currently undergoing a court case of 2 counts of attempted murder.
Kubulewe abantu abathathu kwalimala abane nakudunyuzwana esitolo sokudla esenteni eJohannesburg. Kuthiwa umunye wababhubhileko bekakhamba icala lokubulala angakahlusi.
Asithole into letiningi letibandzakanya amaphilisi, ma-earpiece, kudla, ama-fireworks, nama-cricket nalokunye.
Kutholakele impahla yomgunyathi ebiza ingidigidi zamaranda eMpumalanga. Amapholisa nabekabhudula indawo yokubulunga impahla. Siyakwamukela mbukele endabeni zesiNdebele lapha ku-SABC 1 akwande mzumkhulu. Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi udanile ngendlela idorobha leJohannesburg elingayo. Ukutsho lokhu nakaraga nejima lakhe lokuhlanganela nengikhulu eziphethe idorobheli. Uthi idorobheli alisese ngendlela ebelingayo laziwa ngobukhazikhazi balo. Njenganje sele linzima thu. Umengameli uhlathulule idorobheli njengelisiphazeleko imthangalo sekelo yoniwe konke nje kwangasuthi akusahlala abantu.
I found the city filthy. The city was not clean. There was rubbish all over the show.
Umeya weJohannesburg uTata Mrero utwezwile amagama kaMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ahlaba ikomo. Idorobha lizibiza ngedorobha elikhamba phambili iWorld Class African City. Njenganje angekho satsho kuvadalele kwabazekako kazi indlela zinemgodigodi inziba zibutha umthangala sisekelo woniwe nokhunye okuningi kumbe edorobheni eli.
Mr. President, rest assured we have heard you. From now, watch the space. We will not disappoint you any further. As the people of Johannesburg, we are ready to host the G20 summit.
Idorobheni likhombela umengameli bona athumele isiqhema sezazi ukusiza ukuvuselela umbuso wesifunda.
We took it upon ourselves to write to you, Mr. President, and request your presidential intervention. Furthermore, we have forged partnerships that are already working on the ground. It is not true that we are only providing services because of the G20.
Izakhamuzi zedorobheli sezijwayele ukucinywa igezi namanzi. Umengameli uthi nakatshayela suka eJohannesburg ayekhabe Soweto utshayela endleleni emnyama thu. Umengameli utshela idorobheli bona lisebenzisa umthethomlungu ukuthatha kwenarha, ukuthatha amafilezi agolweko najwe banikazi bawo ukubuyisela ubujameni obuhle idorobheli.
Those abandoned buildings where the owners have either run away should be subjected to the law we've just passed, expropriation, even without compensation. They should be turned into living accommodation.
Njengombana kwenzekile kumasipala weThekwini neJohannesburg ekuzokuthunyelwa isiqhema sezazi esivela ngeofisini likaMengameli ukuvuselela idorobheli.
The situation that has evolved here has led you to invite the president into your council chamber.
Izakhamuzi zeJohannesburg sekumnyaka zihlalelwa zizenzelwa nokubhalelwa kubusa ngefanelo. Umengameli uthi izakhamuzi zizokuhlomula ngokuvuselelwa kwedorobheli.
Amapholisa weGauteng aphenya icala lokubulala nokulinga ukubulala ngemva kwesehlakalo sokudumuzana esidlulene impilo yabantu abathathu kwalimala abane esitolo esithengisa ukudla esentini izolo ebusuku.
Ngokutsho kwamapholisa indoda ehlome ngesigidi beyifuna ukungena esitolo esinomthetho othi isigida singeni. Kulapho ke kuthome khona ukukhitshana ngamagama okubangele ukuthi kugcine kuba nokudumuzana phakathi kwabogadi bendoda le kunye nabogadi besitolo kwabhubha abantu abathathu kwalimala abane. Isehlakalo lesi senzeka ngaphambi kokwethulwa kwembalobalo zobelelesi zekota yesithathu zesifundesi. Okhulumela amapholisa wesifunda seGauteng uColonel Dimakatso Nebuhulwi uthi Iphenyo esele lenziwe litshengisa ukuthi indoda ethome ukudumuza le yakhe yabotshelwa icala elifana naleli ngomnyaka opheleleko nalo eyalenza eSandton.
We do know that one of the deceased was currently undergoing a court case of 2 counts of attempted murder, wherein an incident almost similar to this one, wherein the man was trying to force his way into that restaurant, also in the Sandton. And then there was altercation with security guards. 3 people ended up being injured, and then there is 2 cases of attempted murder that are currently underway.
Ufakazi uthi bekaziphumele nabangani bakhe nakuza kwenzeka isehlakalo lesi, kanti uthi okubuhlungu ukuthi naye uthindekile ngombana ikolo yakhe nayo idumuzekile.
It does concern me, but again, I think it was just a freak moment in the wrong place, the wrong time. My car was shot, the back window was shot twice, and then the right mirror was shot once.
Iphenyo liyaraga mayelana nendaba le.
Amapholisa weMpumalanga bekakhambisana nemphathiswa zomthetho bahubhulule impahla yomgunyathi ebiza iingidigidi zamaranda eRockies Drift ncange White River eMpumalanga. Emakhweni wokubulunga impahla kutholakele kupakwe impahla eningi yomgunyathi kufakwa hlangana ukudla, insipha nokhunye.
Amapholisa, iphiko labofokisi, imphathiswa zeofisi yomnyango wezemithelo bafike ngendlovu yangena babhudula kwasani lapha. Ngilamakamrwana ali-17 abekenziwe ibulungelo lepahla. Bekupakwe impahla yomgunyathi. Ngitsho wena kudla, insetshenziswa zokuzela, ukuhlamba, amapuyere wabantwana, izembatho, amapilisi, izakhamzimba. Kuthole nezenjiwa ezimamatsha ahlazanaka ekukholakala ukuthi azokusetshenziswa ukukhiqiza ubukhazikhazi. Athonyekile amapholisa athi le pahla ngebe ilungiselwa ukuthunyelwa empaza. Nasize emoyeni bengekho obotshiweko malungana nesehlakalo lesi.
Sithole into letiningi leti banzakanya amaphilisi, ma-earpiece, kudla, ama-fireworks, noma ama-cricket nalokunye. Basachubeka siyathemba ukuthi sibalo noma ivalue yale mpahla ingafika kumamiliyoni emarandi. Besiyakhumbula kule lo mnyaka lo wengcile 2024 sibe netigameko lapho kunebantwana labashonile emva kokudla tinvo leti betithengwa etiphaza kuya ngembiko noma kulawo ma allegations. So ingakho igovernment ithathe lesinqumo ukuthi ke kumele kube nema operation lafana nalawa.
Amapholisa asabalinani lemali engenziwa impahla yomgunyathi le etholakele lapha.
Amapholisa atshise indakamizwa ezilinganiselwa ku-5.2 billion wamaranda eminyakeni emithathu edluleko. Ukomitjhinara wamapholisa uGeneral Fani Masemula obekhona nakutshiswa indakamizwa ezimakhilogram ama-800 ekufaka hlangana ama-Mandrex ne-cocaine eKapa. uMasemula uthi amajima okubhudulana nendakamizwa abekhona abenemphumela emihle ekususeni indakamizwa endleleni. Kodwa nanyana kunjalo uthi iSouth Africa iseselidzaba lendakamizwa ezivela emazweni afana neBrazil kunye namanye amazwe.
Kutshisa indakamizwa ezilinganiselwa ku-340 million yamaranda endaweni engazukuvezwa ukuthi kuphi. Indakamizwa ezithethwe nakube kunamajima wamapholisa okubhudulana nendakamizwa eMpumalanga Kapa neTjingalanga Kapa. Zibekwa zisetshenziswe njengobufakazi emacaleni wobulelesi ukuthi angaqedwa amacala lawo indakamizwa zitshiswe.
We are still executing Operation Chanela, which continue to deal with criminals, and since its inception in May 2023, 114,769 suspects were arrested for being possession of drugs, and 29,820 suspects were also arrested for dealing in drugs.
Kananyana indakamizwa eziningi ziphelele endleleni zeSouth Africa phambi ezinye zithunyelwa kwamanye amazwe.
Small other quantities they come through air where we arrest these drug mules coming from South America. They've tried a lot. They try to come via Angola, they try to come via Ethiopia.
Kanti ngokusebenzisana namanye amazwe ayaraga amajima ahlukahlukene kukulwa nendakamizwa.
When we do drug busts, mostly we arrest the real kingpins, either here in South Africa or in other countries.
uMasemula uhlosa ukuthi babotshwe laba abaphethe abenza ubulelesi namabhizinisi obulelesi ekufaka hlangana laba abathengisa indakamizwa ngobuningi.
Kanti indaba esanda kuphela le sibuze ngayo ku Facebook asizwe umbono wakho Mbukeli uyalandela.
Laba babotshelwa izidakamizwa ngathi bangangatholi nebail ngabo laba babulala izwe lase South Africa lapho.
Emsasasa abo bantu batholwe nezidakamizwa mababanjwe ngokukhawuleza. Mabanjwe ngokukhawuleza bagwetywe.
Amaphoyisa aseqalile ayasebenza ngempela manje kodwa ngizoqala ngicome kakhulu ikakhulukazi ongqongqoshe abaphethe amaphoyisa.
Kungathi bangahambela yonke ama-province lakhona lapha eSouth Africa.
Abaragele phambili ngamajima anjengala.
So no basuthi no khana bathi bayabopha abantu abanikazi bawo. Hawa ababophe emkhatsho.
Yavuma indakamizwa bazitholile bazichisile. Mara kodwa abanikazi basekhona.
Yangalo operation wabo bangawenza kuzo zonke ezidorobhu ezinkulu kunye nezincinci.
Impi yedakamizwa kangiboni iningizimu Afrika iyokwazi ukuyinqoba. Ingayinciphisa nje ibambe labo nalabo kodwa uyiqeda ngiboni.
Umbono ngeMbukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono woMbukeli. Abatshayeli benkoloyi bathi akalungu ukuthi bahlawulise imali yokubanjwa amakhemeri angaziwako athi ibele lokhuyana abajanyiswa amapholisa kaMasipalata emajimini wokuvimba inkoloyi ama-roadblocks. Okhulumela amapholisa kaMasipalata weJohannesburg uXolani Fihla uthi bayazi ngokuriyada ngokuthunyelwa kwembiko yezaziso zenkweledi begodu basaletha insombululo kinoba wangela abalokho.
Ngokuqinisekisa ukuthi abatshayeli benkoloyi bawulandela umthetho. Amakhemera athi abatshayela ngebelo elidlula lelo elivunyelweko la afakwe endleleni ezihlukahlukeneko ukwenzela ukuphepha nokwelusa inkoloyi. Amanengi wawo ahlelwe ngendlela yokuthi abamba abatshayeli abatshayela ngebelo elithileko. Indlela ezimachuma amahlanu nambili ezikule eJohannesburg zinamakhemera webelo yinye namkha amabili. Nanyana kunjalo umshayeli nakatshayele wadlulela ngale kwebelo elivunyelweko ngoba nokuriyada kokukhutshwa kwesaziso sehlawulo. uVincent Ntsiye ufumene mhlapha nje bona ukweleda inkulungwane ezilikhomba zamaranda ebekangazi ngazo. Bekwaba kulapha vinjwa khona amapholisa khona apha ku roadblock.
Remember last time when I was doing my disc, I did check the in road report. They said to me, no, you're not owing anything. Then they even issue my disc. So I don't know, today I'm being surprised nje.
Bekoro yamateksi baphefumulile nabo.
The fines, especially for the taxi industry, on the taxi industry side, you'd have a number of vehicles as an individual taxi owner, and drivers would go and do these misdemeanors on the road, and you being unaware, you'll be stopped at the roadblock, and voila, there you are, being given a spot fine that you've not even known of.
Amapholisa kaMasipalata weJohannesburg athi ayazi ngokuriyada kokukhutshwa kwezaziso zamathikithi okuphula umthetho wendlela.
We understand the frustrations experienced by those who encounter outstanding fines at roadblocks without prior notification. The Johannesburg Metropolitan Police Department complies with ARPA regulations for issuing infringement notices. However, various factors such as incorrect address information or issues with postal services can affect the delivery of these notices, particularly for out-of-town motorists.
Nakusenjalo, beposweni bathukuriya dokhu bangelwa zinkwelete zakade zedorobheli.
The delays with the City of Johannesburg were due to a historical debt that was owed by the city to the post office. This debt was settled after a stringent process had to be complied with, and the City of Johannesburg mailings have resumed.
Ngokutsho kwemphathimandla zomthetho nebemapholiseni wendlela, amaSouth Africa kweleta imali ebalelwa kwe-3 billion yamaranda ekuyihlawule solo ingakabhadelwa.
AmaSouth Africa ayokuba nepela veka enzima thugodu. iEskom ubeke ukuqinelisa kwegezi esigabeni sesithathu kusuka namhlanje bekube ngomvulo. uEskom uthi lokhu kubangelwe kulahleka kwamandla okuphehla igezi ema-aweni al-14 adluleko. uEskom uthi ulahlekelwe amandla wegezi abalelwa ku-2,700 megawatts ngonobangela wokucima kwe-Unit 2 yesiteji sokuphehla igezi seKubek. Kanti uthi ubujamo bezulu obumbi nabo bube nomthelelo omumbi kamanye ama-uniti wesiteji sokuphehla igezi sekusile. Nasibuya entolo.
I paid the traditional leader 2,000 rand, 1,500 for the letter, and 1,000 for nduvo. I was heard that they made me pay that much money.
Abanikazi bempaza babhalelwe ukuhlolisa izintolo zabo ngesikhathi ngoba baxhelelwe imali efanele bayibhadele amakhosi. Sisaraga nendaba lapha mbukeli kanti nazi kuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asifake nazo. Ungqongqoshe wendaba zangaphandle eChina uWang Yi uthi ilizwe leChina lizokuraga nokusebenzisana nenahakazi yeAfrika. Uyi bekakhuluma nembikindaba emhlanganweni wehlandla le-14 we-National People's Congress.
China and Africa have always been good friends, good partners and good brothers with a shared future. Under the guidance of Chinese President Xi Jinping and African leaders, the China-Africa relationship is now at its best in history.
Njengoba ipasi liqanene nokuchuguluka indabeni zamazwe ngamazwe, iChina ijamile ekutheni zokusebenzisana nenahakazi yeAfrika. iChina ithi Africa inelukuluko elikhulu begodwa ingathembela elizweni leChina yandisa ukujanyelwa endabeni zamazwe ngamazwe.
Africa is a land of hope of the 21st century. There will be no global modernization without African modernization. The stability and development of Africa is vital to the future of humanity, and the world must listen to Africa and heed its concerns. Africa is going through an awakening, and countries should support Africa.
Abasopolitiki beChina baphefumule nangezamva nje ezivele Washington DC solo Donald Trump athumba amakhetho.
There are more than 190 countries in the world. If every country stresses my country first and is obsessed with a position of strength, the law of the jungle would reign the world again. With smaller and weaker countries bearing the brunt first, and international norms and order severely undermined.
Nakusenjalo, ipiyokusise phakathi kwahulumende weAmerica ithusela imikhakha embalwa eChina. Lokhu kwenzeka nanyana zibuthakathaka imfuno zabathengi kunye nokungezeleleka komraro obuthakathaka bomnotho.
Abanye abanikazi bamasiphaza ngaphandle kweLouis Trichardt eLimpopo babhalelwe ukuhlolisa amabhizinisi wabo ngaphambi kwelanga ababekelwe lona langelesihlanu iveke epheleko. Babeka umlando amakhosi wendawo ngoba athe babhadele amakhosi bese abanikele incwadi zokuhlolisa amabhizinisi abo. Umkhandlu wabaholi wendabuko weSimthumule uthi abanikazi bamasiphaza kufanele babhadele imali ngange-700 ukuthi banikelwe incwadi zokuhlolisa kwamabhizinisi wabo kanti bentolo ezisanda ukuvula babhadele imali ngange-1,500 rands.
uAgnes Muthibi uthi inkosi yangikhabo imbhadalisa i-1,500 ukuze athole incwadi emnikela imvumo yokuhlolisa ibhizinisi yakhe. Umnikazi wespaza shop oneminyaka ema-63 ubudala uthi usebenzisa imali ayifumana esitolo sakhe ukuhlogomela abantu bakhe ngombana angakhoni ukuziphilisa ngesibonelelo semali sikahulumende osisodwa. uMuthibi uthi lokhu kumkatelela ukuthi angenelele khudlwana ngesikhwameni sakhe.
Hezwi zwithu zwa u badela nga nḓila hii a zwo ngo vhuya zwa mpfara zwavhuḓi.
I paid the traditional leader 2,000 rand, 1,500 for the letter, and 1,000 for nduvo. I was heard that they made me pay that much money.
Abanikazi bamaspaza shops bebazimisele ukuhlolisa intolo zabo ngaphambi kokuthi kuvalwe ukuhloliswa. Kodwana imali ebeyifunwa amakhosi wangikhabo ibakhandela abaningi ukuthi barage nokuhlolisa intolo zabo.
Our main concerns this time around is with the inequality that we're actually experiencing.
Umkhandlu wombuso ositshaba weSinthumule uyiphikisile indaba yokuthi amakhosi afuna imali eningi ebanikazini bamaspaza shops.
We have 700 rand for a person who's renewing. We have 1.5 for a person who is starting, who doesn't have a spaza shop at all.
Nakusenjalo indlu yabaholi bendabuko eLimpopo ithi ayikusekeli ukubhadeliswa kwabanikazi bama-spaza shops imali eningi makhosi wendawo ukuthi banikelwe incwadi ezibavumela ukuthi batlolisa amabhizinisi abo.
We have resolved as a house that we need to engage with the Premier. Because remember, in this case, the section 25 that we are referring to, it is talking to the Premier.
Indlu yabaholi bendabuko ithi kuneminye imisebenzi yenziwa amakhosi emphakathini efuna ukuthi amalunga womphakathi ayibhadele ukuze umkhandlu ukhona ukusebenza kuhle ngombana amanye amakhosi akafumani ukusekelwa ngemali kuvela kuhulumende.
Kezemali iranda lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Nisale kuhle.